Welcome. In this video, we will explore the powerful combination of design thinking and agile methodologies. We will uncover how a user-centered design approach can thrive within agile development processes. Let's dive in and discover how to create products that are both innovative and user-friendly. We'll be discussing design thinking, agile processes, and how these methodologies are user-centered. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation. It uses a designer's toolkit to bring together people's needs, technological possibilities, and business requirements for success. It focuses on understanding the needs and problems of the users and encourages creative problem-solving. It's an iterative process where constant learning occurs and emphasizes testing and validation of the product. The design thinking process consists of 5 stages. The first is to empathize, which involves understanding the human needs by observing and engaging with people. Key activities in this stage includes conducting user interviews, observation, and empathy mapping. The second stage is to define. This stage involves processing and synthesizing findings to define core problems through activities such as creating problem statements, user personas, and point-of-view statements. The third stage is to ideate. This stage involves challenging assumptions and creating ideas for innovative solutions through brainstorming, mind mapping, and sketching. The fourth stage is to prototype, where you start creating solutions with experimental and scaled-down versions by creating paper prototypes, digital mock-ups, and minimum viable product development. The final stage is to test, where you rigorously test the complete product using the best solutions through user testing, feedback collection, and iteration. Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development. It helps teams deliver value to their customers faster, with fewer complications. Agile methodology includes iterative and incremental delivery, encourages collaboration over documentation, uses working software as the primary measure of progress, supports responding to change over strictly following plans, promotes early and continuous delivery, and focuses on continuous improvement. There are several frameworks for Agile, each with its own focus. First is the Scrum framework, an iterative approach with fixed-length sprints and defined team roles. The framework uses sprint planning and reviews, daily stand-ups, and product and sprint backlogs. Kanban is a visual workflow management method with continuous delivery that visualizes the workflow, limits work in progress, and maintains a continuous flow. Extreme programming focuses on technical excellence through pair programming, test-driven development, and continuous integration. Finally, Lean focuses on eliminating waste and optimizing efficiency to minimize waste, deliver quickly, and empower the team. Design thinking focuses on deeply understanding user needs before developing solutions, while Agile focuses on delivering working software through iterative cycles. By integrating these methodologies, teams can combine user empathy with rapid development to create better products. This intersection means incorporating user-centered development, iterative problem-solving, early testing and validation, and a collaborative approach in every cycle. Here's how to integrate design thinking into an Agile workflow. First, conduct a pre-development phase where you empathize, define, and ideate. Then, run a Sprint Zero, which is a foundational sprint for user experience research and system architecture. Next, run Agile sprint cycles, which includes development and implementation. The process involves continuous design iteration to prototype and refine based on testing and iterate. Overall, the integration involves design sprints, where you dedicate sprints for design thinking activities before development phases. Also, create cross-functional teams where designers and developers are working together throughout the process, and integrate continuous validation by integrating regular user testing into sprint reviews and ceremonies. User-centered design prioritizes user needs throughout the development process. This approach utilizes active user involvement, so engage users early and often through interviews, observations, and usability testing. User stories and personas are also utilized, where you create detailed user personas and write stories from the user's perspective. Incorporate continuous validation, where you test assumptions and validate designs throughout the development process. Use data-informed decisions by using analytics and user feedback to drive product improvements. Integrating design thinking and agile processes comes with its own set of challenges. Time constraints can occur where design thinking often requires dedicated time for research and discovery, which can conflict with Agile's rapid delivery focus. Solve this through thoughtful planning by integrating design thinking activities into the Agile schedule with dedicated time. Organizational silos where design and development teams often work in isolation, leading to handoff issues and reduced collaboration. Solve this by creating cross-functional teams with shared goals and collaborative processes. Getting stakeholder buy-in and team members to understand and value the integration of design thinking with Agile processes can also be a challenge. Solve this by showcasing tangible benefits of user-centered design through metrics and outcomes. Here are the key takeaways to remember. Design thinking and Agile are complementary frameworks that, when combined, create a powerful user-centered development process. Always keep the users involved throughout the entire process, from initial research to final testing and iteration. Adapt the integration approach based on your organization's needs, team structure, and project requirements. Remember, this integration results in products that are not only technically sound, but also provide exceptional user experiences. Design thinking and Agile together create products people love to use, not just products that work. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.